Welcome to the auto clamping system of hydraulic devices. What you are seeing in the chuck is a grinding mandrel, which was normally with manual clamping arrangement. Since the customer, this is the component. Since the customer wanted to save the time, they want to automate the clamping mechanism. So we have provided the tailstock based auto clamping system based on the special request by the customer. So here the pressure is applied from the tailstock it can be integrated with the machine hydraulic power pack. So now the component is in the chuck, the hydraulic device is in the chuck. Now we are going to show the auto clamping, successful functioning of the auto clamping. See, we are putting the component, loading the component. Now we are actuating the hydraulic clamping from the tailstock. You can see this is actually a mechanical tailstock movement, but the same is applicable for the hydraulic actuation of the tailstock also. So the tailstock applies the pressure and auto clamps the component. The component is held firmly. This takes hardly 2 seconds. For the tailstock movement is the timing. The component is clamped well, and you can perform the grinding operations or whatever the operations. Now after the operation is completed, the tailstock automatically, because you have programmed in your CNC grinding machine, the tailstock automatically retracts after the operation. So the component is removed. Subsequently, you can just see practically how much of time it has saved, the clamping and declamping system. So this is an advancement, this is an improvement, which we do it for customers on their special requirements. So this is one such requirement. See, once again, we are clamping. Now the component is held firmly, held tightly, and the axis is centralized, and whatever the ID OD concentricity can be maintained, and OD runout can be maintained within 2-3 microns as per the customer requirement. If the customer, if it is a CNC grinding machine, much more accuracy can be achieved. So now the declamping. This is the successful functioning of the auto clamping system, which is custom made for a specific customer requirement. This can be done for CNC grinding machines, CNC turning, and VMCs, and anywhere the auto clamping, manual clamping can be converted into auto clamping system. Thank you.